Hey friends, Kevin here with this portable air inflator I just got in from Fortem. I have some other products from this company that turned out to be pretty high quality, so I do have some high expectations for this. Because I have a lot of experience with these things, the company did send this to me to test out and share the results with you. So let's find out together if this delivers on its promises. So on top we're going to have a warranty card. And we're going to have a manual. The manual is pretty detailed, has pictures, which is always helpful. Of course, this is rechargeable, and this is quite heavy for something this size. So this should have some good battery life based on that weight. We'll need to peel this protective cover off. And in the bottom of the box, we'll have our accessories, a carry bag, our charger, which is standard USB-C. It has a 12-volt adapter, and I can tell you that most companies do not include a 12-volt adapter with these rechargeable units. So it's nice to have this as a backup just in case you needed some extra oomph if your battery was down and you needed to inflate a tire. So your hose is right on the back, built into the machine, has a little swivel. This is the screw-on type. I actually prefer this compared to the clip-ons. And then you're going to have a bag of accessories for blowing up different things. There's a little needle type. There's some different types for blowing up things like inflatable mattresses. So to power this on, we're just going to hold the button. This top number will show what you are currently hooked to. This bottom number is going to be the target. You're just going to go up and down to change this to whatever you need it to be. And you're going to have these little symbols up here that you can rotate through with this mode button. And that just gets you close to what you may need. A passenger car, a motorcycle, bicycle, blowing up a ball, something like that. But once you go to whatever setting you need to be, in our case, let's say a passenger car, then we can dial this in exactly where we need it to be. So out of the package, there are some things I like about it, but all I really care about is how well this thing is going to function in the real world. So let's take it out in the real world and find out. Worked like a charm. Now, I've owned a bunch of these things over the years. This is about a 55-degree day, and this thing, man, this is not hot at all. It is barely warm. I've had a lot of these that are too hot to touch, just running 2 or 3 minutes, so I'm actually pretty impressed with this little device by Fortem.